Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated twist variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. Inhale center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, moving at your own pace. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, working through your own range of motion. Pausing at center, adding on. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue with this movement, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Pausing at the top, adding a wide leg knee raise. Alternate bringing elbow to knee, moving from right to left, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques, while strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.